Pvt.Ltd Group, which was established in 2002, is in the business of manufacturing, marketing, distribution, and after-sales service of medical devices and equipment. Pvt.Ltd Group is dedicated to bring India-centric, innovative technologies to the Indian healthcare market. It constantly works on delighting the customers by providing excellent value-for-money products and outstanding service. The leadership team: Abhinav Kanti. He leads the marketing efforts of the company. Bipin Agrawal. He leads the new product identification effort and manages the finance function of the company. Sundaresan S. He is leading the interventional business and is also responsible for sales in West and South India. Vinay Nehra. He is responsible for sales in North and East India. Vivek Kakkar. Vivek leads the manufacturing and R&D of the company. Hospital-acquired infection. Hospital-acquired infections are defined as infections acquired by the patient inside a hospital. Hospital-acquired infection or nosocomial infections are the leading cause of treatment-related complications. Hospital-acquired infections lead to increased usage of antibiotics, higher morbidity and mortality, longer hospital stay, and higher expenses on health care. The Hospital Infection Control Society of India suggests that the hospital-acquired infection rates in India are around 20 to 25%. In other parts of the world, these rates vary between 5 to 30%. Major causes of hospital-acquired infections include contaminated objects and equipments, contaminated air, contaminated surfaces. Pvt.Ltd Group is engaged in manufacturing and marketing cutting-edge technologies which address all these causes of hospital-acquired infections. A major issue faced by hospitals in their fight against infection is the problem of poor indoor air quality. Indoor air in the hospital needs special attention. The hospital air is filled with microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, superbugs, and fungi. Low ventilation, ambient temperature, and humidity makes it an ideal place for the microorganisms to grow. Microbial load in indoor air is 70 to 100 times higher than the outdoor air. Also, the hospital air is full of odor-forming volatile organic compounds or VOCs, which emanate from chemicals, drugs, anesthesia gases, disinfectants, smoke, and people. In a hospital, most of the patients are either infected or immune compromised. This makes them prone to cross-infections. It is estimated that 30% of total hospital-acquired infections are spread through the airborne route. Besides, the healthcare workers spend a lot of time in this contaminated air, making them susceptible to various ailments. In such an environment, air purification systems are a must for all healthcare establishments. The traditional air purification systems use one or two technologies to handle the complex problem of contaminated air. This results in handling of a few types of contaminant while leaving the other intact. Pvt.Ltd Innovations is proud to bring Sterigen FTSS system, an air purification system which attacks all the contaminants in hospital air, making it safe to breathe. The system has a modular design for easy adaptation to room airflow dynamics. The first module in Sterigen FTSS is the air filtration module. In this module, the system uses pre-filter to remove pollutant particles up to 50 micron in size. These mechanical filters trap particles like hair, lint, animal dander, visible dust particles, large pollen, small insects, and other particulate matter. Sterigen FTSS filtration module is equipped with 3 technologies for disinfection. The first one is HEPA filter. The HEPA filter has an efficiency of 99.97% for 0.3 micron particle size. This is followed by activated carbon filter. ACF is used for removing odor-forming compounds like VOCs, anesthetic agents, chloroform, and other gases. Depending on the requirement, multiple filters are used for taking care of the shock load. This is followed by a titanium dioxide nano photocatalytic filter. On exposure to UV light, this filter produces hydroxyl radicals which continuously decompose VOCs and kill microorganisms. In the end, the air gets exposed to germicidal UV irradiation, which kills microorganisms and ensures 90 to 95% disinfection. Since microbial decontamination is of critical importance, the second module of Sterigen FTSS is dedicated to disinfection and is called Decontamination Module. This module uses the most advanced flash thermal sterilization system or FTSS technology. In FTSS, air is heated to a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius in a patented ceramic chamber. At this temperature, all types of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and molds are destroyed. The air is subsequently cooled to almost room temperature to establish a convection air current. This ensures that the ambient air is continuously decontaminated and circulated without any motors, pumps, or fans, making the module completely silent and maintenance-free. Sterigen FTSS comes with an option of a fumigation module. The first option is ultra-low volume or ULV fumigation module. The ULV module converts water-based disinfectants into a very fine mist form to achieve disinfection. The other fumigation option is based on ozone. This module generates ozone at high concentration to kill all types of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and VOC in indoor air. When you use this module, you will not need any disinfectant for fumigation. All the 3 modules are controlled using one RF-based wireless controller. This controller eliminates the need of entering the room for controlling and programming the machine. The system is designed to handle a minimum air volume of 4,000 cubic feet. These systems are CE certified as Class 1 medical device and are manufactured in our ISO 9001, ISO 13485, ISO 14001, WHO GMP GPP certified factory. Faith Innovations has been recognized as a leader of tomorrow by Economic Times and India Mart. It is also a recipient of Order of Merit and Achievers Gold Award awarded by Scotch Awards. So, do not compromise with infection. Live infection-free. Use Sterigen FTSS system.